They said the Apple TV was just a streaming box, a small black square quietly sitting beneath your television, doing the same thing year after year. But in 2025, that story is about to change. Forever, Apple is preparing to launch what could be the biggest transformation in its living room history. Completely redesigned Apple TV 4K. 2025, this isn't just an update. It's a reinvention. Apple's grand vision to turn your TV into the intelligent heart of your home. Imagine a single sleek device that doesn't just stream your favorite shows, but also powers console-level gaming, FaceTime calls, smart home control, and AI-driven entertainment, all backed by the most advanced chip Apple has ever put in a TV box. According to major industry leaks, the new Apple TV 4K is expected to debut between late 2024 and early 2025, featuring groundbreaking hardware, a stunning minimalist design, and, surprisingly, a lower price tag that could make it Apple's most accessible product yet. So let's dive deep into how this small black box could redefine your entire digital lifestyle, from its redesigned internals to Apple's massive ecosystem strategy. A strategic redefinition, Apple's living room. Comeback Apple's moves are never random. Every product is part of a bigger story. Over the past year, Apple has quietly rebranded its entertainment ecosystem. What used to be Apple TV Plus is now simply Apple TV, a small change with huge implications. This isn't about a name. It's about a shift in purpose. Apple doesn't want you to think of the Apple TV as just another streaming device. It wants it to be the command center of your digital home, the place where streaming meets gaming, AI, and communication. Insiders suggest Apple plans to unveil this model in October or November 2024, perfectly aligning with the global holiday season, a classic Apple move to dominate the living room upgrade rush. This isn't just a new product. It's a repositioning of the Apple TV brand, one that could challenge not only Roku, Amazon Fire, and Chromecast, but also compete with gaming consoles, smart home hubs, and even communication devices. Hardware revolution. The A17 Pro. Powerhouse at the core of this transformation is Apple's A17 Pro chip, the same silicon powering the iPhone 15 Pro, built on Apple's groundbreaking 3nm architecture. This chip is more than fast. It's redefining what a streaming box can do. Expect lightning-fast app launches, console-quality graphics, and real-time AI upscaling. With its 6-core GPU, the A17 Pro supports ray tracing, dynamic lighting, and realistic physics. Features once exclusive to high-end gaming consoles. Apple is essentially turning your Apple TV into a gaming console disguised as a streaming box. Picture yourself playing Resident Evil Village or No Man's Sky, all from your Apple TV, with no console needed, and with 8GB of RAM, multitasking becomes seamless, switching between apps, gaming, or smart home control without a single lag. Siri becomes faster, smarter, and more responsive, with all AI processing handled locally for maximum privacy. 3. Smarter, faster, stronger. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. The 2025 Apple TV 4K will be Apple's first streaming device with Wi-Fi 7, delivering up to 5x faster speeds, ultra-low latency, and incredible stability. Ideal for 8K HDR streaming, cloud gaming, and home automation. Add to that Bluetooth 6, and you get stronger, more energy-efficient connections for AirPods, controllers, and even the Apple Vision Pro. This means your Apple TV becomes more than just an entertainment hub. It becomes the central nervous system of your smart home, syncing every Apple device with flawless precision. 4. Beyond streaming, the smart home. Revolution Apple's goal isn't to make another streaming device, it's to make your TV smarter than ever. The new Apple TV 4K could include a built-in camera for FaceTime calls, using center stage to keep you perfectly framed on screen. It also acts as a HomeKit and Matter hub, managing everything from lights and locks to thermostats and cameras, all controllable through Siri or automations. With the A17 Pro, it even opens new doors for gaming, pairing with controllers, supporting higher frame rates, and possibly even introducing cloud gaming through Apple Arcade. This isn't just entertainment, it's home intelligence brought to life. 5. Design and functionality. The minimalist masterpiece. Apple's design language has always been about simplicity, and the new Apple TV 4K continues that tradition, but refined. Expect a slimmer chassis, improved thermal control, and possibly new finishes like midnight black, silver, and starlight. Even the Siri remote is rumored to get a makeover, featuring Find My support, tactile feedback, and enhanced motion sensors for gaming. It's small, silent, and stunning, the definition of Apple minimalism. 6. The price shock, Apple's most affordable product. Yet here's where Apple might surprise everyone. For the first time ever, the new Apple TV 4K could cost under $100, yes, a premium Apple product, priced for the masses. This isn't about profit margins, it's about ecosystem expansion. Apple's strategy is simple. Get Apple TV into every home, then connect it to services like Apple TV, Arcade, Fitness Plus, and iCloud. That's how Apple wins, and through integration, not isolation. 7. The ecosystem advantage. Seamless living. Apple's biggest strength isn't its devices. It's how perfectly they work together. Start watching a show on your iPhone. Continue it instantly on your Apple TV, and finish with AirPods Pro delivering spatial audio synced to your head movements. Use your Apple Watch to control volume or lights, and when you walk in, your HomePod welcomes you back, your TV already awake, ready to play your favorite show. That's the Apple experience. Invisible, effortless, and impossibly smooth. Is tvOS 19, Apple Intelligence comes home. The Apple TV 4K 2025 will debut with tvOS 19, introducing Apple's new AI system, Apple Intelligence. This update brings personalization, smarter Siri suggestions, and even AI-driven content discovery. Now you can say things like, "Show me something inspiring to watch tonight," or "Play a funny movie from the 90s. Siri will understand context, preferences, and tone, offering a truly conversational experience. tvOS 19 also enhances multi-user profiles, integrates with Fitness Plus, and syncs with Arcade, making your Apple TV feel like a true digital assistant, not just a device. 9. The bigger picture. Apple's next frontier. Apple has conquered the pocket with the iPhone, the wrist with the Apple Watch, the desk with the Mac. Now, it's coming for your living room. The new Apple TV 4K 2025 is Apple's most ambitious step toward a unified, intelligent ecosystem, a product that blends entertainment, AI, and home automation in a single elegant form, and with its eco-friendly aluminum design, energy-efficient chipset, and carbon-neutral goals. Apple's also pushing toward a sustainable future, one living room at a time. Final thoughts. The future of streaming starts. Here, the Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just a streaming box. It's a statement of intent, a bold new direction for how Apple envisions our homes, smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. With the A17 Pro chip, Wi-Fi 7, AI-powered tvOS 19, FaceTime camera, and sub-$100 pricing, Apple is redefining what the future of entertainment means. Because the future of streaming isn't about more apps or faster speeds. It's about intelligence, experience, and total ecosystem harmony. And in 2025, Apple isn't just upgrading your TV, it's upgrading your lifestyle.